Awesome. So we're going to solve this problem using square roots. So the first thing, as always, I take the square root. Boom. Boom. Okay. Plus or minus. Those cancel, so I get x plus 5 equals. Now I know that the square root of 36 equals 6. Okay? And so then I get plus or minus 6 over here. Now I subtract 5 from both sides. And so I get x equals -5 plus or minus 6. Boom. Okay. And so I get one of two things. Boom. I get x equals -5 plus 6. Or x equals -5 minus 6. And so I get x equals 1. Or x equals -11. Okay, and so that is my answer, x equals 1 or